Hello YouTube, this is Braindead636 coming to you with this past week's haul. Tried to make a video yesterday and upload it to YouTube, and it wasn't working out, so I made another one, and here it goes. Let's get right into it. These are Matchbox that I'm going to do. This is a trail tipper. Come on, phone. There we go. And I bought these for my son, Ethan. So he'll make a cracking video later on. And this is a ground grinder. I've been able to find quite a bit of Matchbox lately. It seems like, I don't know if they're putting out older stock or if this is new stock. I'm finding a lot of different ones that my son didn't have, so I've been able to pick them up and add them to his collection. Pretty sweet. This is a mini dozer. This is a highway maintenance truck. I like this one. And I think I found these at Kroger. They had a little sidekick. Yeah, they had a little special that buy one get one free. So I bought all the ones that my son didn't have. So it's buy one get one free. So it's pretty cool. This is a 4x4 scrambulance. Still and breathless. Oh, my hand's in the way. And this is a Toyota Tundra with lifeguard tampos, beach patrol. This is that Matchbox coastline services. Got some equipment in the back. Some little floating device, surfboard. No headlight tampos. Nothing in the rear. So cool casting. This is a travel tracker. It's like when you go on a safari. And we got a bunch of little equipment up there for a safari or little trip we're going on. So we're on the front end. It's got a little motorcycle on the front. So that was pretty cool too. And probably my favorite one, and I wish there was another one. There was only one of these, because if there was two of them, I would have got one for myself. But eventually I'll probably find one. But this is the Jeep Wrangler Superlift. Man, that thing is sweet right there. Man, I wish I would have found two of these. A lot of glare. Sorry for the glare. Alright, and then I found this on the pegs at a Walmart. It's an old 13 A-case wheel loader. I just like the color blue, and I like the blue and the yellow, but I got it for my son. Thought it was pretty neat. He likes the little construction vehicles. And then I finally got some H case. So I think everybody, or a lot of people, have already seen these. This is the Corvette C7R. I think this is very cool casting. Well, I love Chevy anyway, or General Motors, anything General Motors. So this is a sweet pickup for me. I got two of those, one for me, one for my son. And then I picked him also up. Was this a new chill mill? He's seen this on the Hot Wheel website, and he said he wanted one. I told him I'd find, as soon as I found the cases, that I'd pick him up one. So looks like there's hardly any body to the car. It's got holes on the side. I guess it's like a service truck, I guess. They go around delivering. This is dairy. I don't know if that's dairy in the back, but if you say so. And it is new for 2015. Then also got him the Hover Storm, which I thought was pretty neat. See, the lighting's better right here. That's pretty cool. And then when I went through it, I didn't find any supers. I did find those gassers, but I did pick up the Treasure Hunt Fast Gassing. There's the logo. There's the front. A lot of people don't like this. I'm not big on a fantasy either, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the blue and orange, and blue is my favorite color. So, I got one of those. I also got two, one for my son. I normally find treasure hunts. It's the supers, which, I will probably eventually find one. Alright, and then I've been going to Toys R Us a lot lately, because I've been looking for the cool classics. The new releases, but I haven't been able to find any, but I did pick up some cool classics that I didn't have. Here's the Amphicar. Yeah, a lot of people have already seen this, but new to me. I also picked up the 85 Honda CRX blue. I had a hard time finding this in my area. Seems like everybody's been scooping them up, but I found one at Toys R Us. Bought it. That's pretty sweet right there. That's a sweet ride. Alright, and then I picked up 67 Pontiac Firebird. Fix that corner. Purple. And I think this is from the first one, because it has the gray band in the behind it. The 13. This was released in 13. It's got some real, what's that? Hearst Champion. Goodyear. That's pretty sweet. Alright. '67 Camaro. That's the last one I found, which is probably like one of my favorites of the cool classes, and it does have real life company tempos, BM, Elderbrock, Champion, Holly. That thing is awesome right there. And of course, it is that blue, my favorite color, with the gold rims. That thing is bad right there. That's all spectacularly bad. Can't get any super sweet than that. Alright. Like I said, I've been going to Toys R Us looking for those cool classics. Been able to find them. But found an HD truck green light. Green machine. This is my third one of the HD trucks. This is number 63. Up for trade. Just contact me, email me, or send me a PM. Leave a message down below. Maybe we'll work out a trade. All right. Well, this is my past week's haul. Again, been on a little run with the green machines. Another one, International Drugstore beverage truck. So that's pretty cool. Well, this is Brain Dead 636. As always, like, excuse me, dislike, subscribe, comment. Either way, I'll keep making videos. Shooting up the deuces from Texas. I'm out.